Hi, Sherry. Long time no see. I'm glad that you would like to take a look at my question and for shorten this video as much as possible. I will just start. And first of all, recently I worked on the software which is called Live 2D. Uh, I can talk about that later, but my question is more about animation, which is, for example, I got this picture and I would like to animate this fabric, this like a towel. Uh, the this software, the cool thing about it is you can just have one picture and with a separated layer, you have different parts of the this whole like you can have parts of those of this text picture. Then you can animate each one individually, which is pretty cool. Uh, these days, I'm working on this how this towel can move the wave when wind blows it. With I hope it make it as looping animation is basically this software is designed for game using. So make it as loop animation uh, will be a good showcase, I think. And so um, since I worked on Flash for a long time, for many years, and I think it's easy to do a mock-up. So I make a mock-up, for example, to figure out the wave movement by this technique, which I used a lot for moving, making. I'll show you. So here, okay. So I figure out the wave by this way and ignore the little uh, glitch here because it's just a shape tween. Uh, I because it's just for reference, so I don't modify it perfectly. And then let's see. Um, so I made this one and then use this line, the result of this line, and shift the starting point of them, and then make this movement. And this one is kind of like a pendulum with different timing, with different timing, and then I can make it short and looping. So I just put it as a reference of this um, towel, the end edge of towel. So therefore, the next thing, oh my God, I forget all my presentation um, technique, which is I should have summarized it. But well, never mind. I'll try to finish my question first. And then, so in this case, I think the mock-up of the movement, I'm satisfied. So I export the pictures and then import to this Live 2D software as the reference. As usual, the software, how it works doesn't matter. We just need to, we focus on how it moves. And then, so the thing is, I have those three pieces of tower, and then I have the reference point. And so with those lines, then I can have this movement. Since I can make this reference image sequence to move with mine, so I just close it, and then this tree tower has one line to do the deformation, and so the result I think is I like it. Actually, I this is my second version of the wave. First, earlier wave I had even more um, like crazy move, and I found it's way too much. Um, this version I'm satisfied. However, of course the next thing I need to do is just um, fix those gap, like this gap, and then oh, but the main thing the most bother me is okay. I know how it moves in the almost we call it horizontal way, horizontal way. But I'm also very curious about how this age will move. And in that case, I also did the reference or mock-up to try to figure out how it move. So I had those lines here, this line here, and then I also let them move this way. And of course, after a few tries, I think it is satisfied. And then I just try to implement them here too. I'll change this so it's more clearly. Okay, so I have those. Let's say the key frame different, then you got I got different. However, there's a problem I found, which is after I move this wave, this each fabric wave, the end of the here, the end of this edge and this edge, it's moving. It's moving up and down. So rather than my markup, it doesn't move. Just stay in the same place. So that's the issue. And I was confused how I should have thinking of this uh, movement. And this is my main question. Yeah. But then later, before I found out I could have asked you, I tried this way. I also um, make this age movement, make age wave in place, and then shift to the starting point. This one is a copy of this one, something like this. And then I was trying to fit them both together. It's a lot of work, different try and a lot of work. And so this, yeah, here finished my question. How do you think it should move? And however, since it's kind of like a study, so I tried. This is the final result. I might not will here. Okay, see, this is the final result I'm having right now. But you know my question. I think right now the thing I figure out is I was thinking here as something like this, a a a, um, a bucket of a bucket of air, and it move over. Turn here. Okay, so it's the same thinking as this. It's a I should anyway. I'll just say a group of air, and then it moving um, pass away, and then make the fabric wave. So next question. So far the result is I'm imagining there is a bucket of a group of air, and then going through this way. So but the age of adjustment is just hard. So I kind of make it a little bit. I hope this one working. However, yeah, I really want to know if in the traditional animation what should we think of this wave? Um, yeah, thank you. If you got time or you need a different uh, reference, for example, the short looping animation with the keyframe on it, I will try to make it for you to easier to comment and critique. Thank you.